Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Ford Mustang. This is a pretty newer generation of fob here. So if you have a Mustang from 2018 on, 2018, 2019, you probably have a smart key fob that looks like this. This is a pretty easy one to change. So if your batteries run out, the first thing you got to do, flip it over and remove this internal valet key. So there's a little button you can depress here. Excuse me, it's on the front side here. Little button right there. Depress that and remove the internal valet key. Because what we need to do is we got to pop off this back here. So you can see there's kind of two holes here. And if you take like a small flathead screwdriver, you can kind of get in to one of these holes. And basically this back will just pop right off. So again, there's two holes right here, there and there. Just put a small screwdriver in there and you'll be able to pop off the back of this at those 2 points. And this back will pop off. Whoop, there it is. And you can get access to the internal battery here. So this is a CR2450 battery. And pop this guy out. Just take another small flathead screwdriver. There's some holes around the battery there. Just get in there and you get some leverage underneath and that thing will pop right out. So grab a new one, make sure the positive side, which positive side has the lettering on it, make sure that that goes facing you. Pop that back in. Pop the back on here. And just make sure this base here has a little notch on it, so put that in first and then pop in the back here. Replace the internal valet key, and there you go. So that's how you change the smart key fob battery for Ford Mustang 2018-2019.